Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kdrion, and today's video will be doing a natural hair tutorial. So I'll be showing you 6 easy day-to-day styles that I do on my natural hair. I do hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the thumbs up button, and also leave some tips or leave any feedback you like in the comments. I'm always in the comment section, and also you can leave any suggestions of video you like to see me do next. So enough rambling, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so guys, this is the first hairstyle. It's a 2-puff. This can be worn to work, to school. If you're just starting your natural hair journey and you don't know how to do your hair, just put it up in a high 2-puff and you'll be good to go. So the other style is, if you're in a rush and you already comb your hair, already slicked down in another 2-puff, but you want to try a different style, what you can do is just get a rubber band or a scrunchie, and you can just make a bun. And that type of bun is now turned into a 2-puff bun. So if you are the type of person that don't want your ends to be out, because you know that the heat damage, sun does give heat damage as well. So you just secure your ends and you can make it into a small bun and you'll be good to go. That's the other style. Okay, so the other style we're going for is a low bun. So I'm just going to comb everything towards the back. And all you need now is just to lay your edges. Scrunchie and just put it in a low puff and you're good to go. So this is the second style. Alright, so the other style we're going to do, guys, is a fro. So all we're going to do is just take our spray bottle. We're going to spray. I'm going to slick back the front. And you can take any scarf of your choice. So I'll be taking this one, or should I take this one? I'm going to use this one. So we're going to take this one and give me a minute, guys. I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm going to take my scrunchie, my headband. Some persons use scrunchie. Some persons use elastic, the elastic bands that can stretch. Or you can use a headband, whatever you want, and just, or even a scarf. And we're going to push it up like this. Going to lay our edges. And guys, this is the second style. And so for the other style, if you don't have a headband, you can just fluff your hair, comb it to the front, and turn it into a fro. Turn it into a fro, shape it to your choice, and wear it as a fro. Well, mine ain't incorporating right now, but you get the point. Alright, so the other style I'm going to show you is eye puff and a fro at the back. So for this style, I normally use my fingers. I don't really need any comb. So I'm going to take my fingers and we're going to separate the hair just like that. And this is one of my everyday style. And when you're going to finish with the last hoop, you just fold it over and turn it into a bun. Just like that, and fluff the back, and then we lay your edges. Alright guys, so the last style that I'm going to show you one thing with curly hair, we tend to have a lot of coils, so we tend to have a lot of loose hair everywhere, and our hair tends to knot a lot. It's a struggle. And my hair is not. Give me a second, guys. Alright, so back to the last style. So the last style, we are going to take some persons in Jamaica use shoelace, some use scarf, some use straps, brassiere straps. But if you are really serious about your natural hair and you're trying to avoid like a lot of breakage, I'm the opposite, I don't really care. But yeah, you can take like something like this. This is kind of oily because I use this every day. You can some person get it like on their bags. You can get like a silk. You can get like a silk scarf or anything of your choice, and we're going to put it in one. So what I normally do is just put it around my head like this, tie it like this, and then I just strip everything from the back and form it into, you can do it to the side, in one, whatever you choose, but we're going up in one. That's it. And then, as I usually say, we're gonna do our edges. Can't do hair without your edges. And that's it. Okay, so these are all the looks, guys. These can be worn as an everyday hairstyle, and they're easy on the go. If you have a function or you have somewhere to go and you don't want to hassle with your hair, you can try these 6 styles. They're really easy, and as you can see, all I used was just water, gel, and my leave-in conditioner. That's all you need. My comb and my brush, and you're good to go. So you don't need to buy expensive products to do these styles. So I do hope you enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave some tips or a few things you'd like to see me do in my next video. And also, I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.